Welcome to TurboTalk, where power and technology meet in the world of heavy machinery. In today's video, we explore powerful excavators, giant dump trucks, and state-of-the-art equipment, all specially designed to overcome the toughest challenges in the construction, mining, and agriculture industries. Trancher 1675, also known as Trench Monster. This is not an ordinary trench digging device. With its tremendous power, 1675 can crush all kinds of soil and rock on its way, from soft soil to hard rocks like concrete. From afar, you will see it as a mechanical dinosaur preparing to charge into the construction battlefield. The size of this baby is not modest at all. It is as big as an elephant, long and massive with razor-sharp cutting blades. 1,675 is capable of digging trenches so deep that it seems to find the core of the earth. And not only is it powerful, the machine is also very gas-hungry, operating at extremely high capacity. Enough to burn fuel to party all day and night without stopping. Controlling this baby also requires skill. The operator must be like a real construction site racer, because with the speed of cutting the ground of 1,675, just a little bit of negligence will lose track of it immediately. Trancher 1675 is not just a machine, but a true warrior, capable of turning road and infrastructure projects into classy, grooving works of art. In short, if you want a golden buffalo to conquer all types of soil and rocks, Trancher 1675 is the #1 companion. Let me tell you, have you ever seen a gentle monster harvesting rice? Introducing the John Deere S700 series Combine Harvester, the silent superhero of the agricultural village. Equipped with powerful muscles and super smart technology, this machine not only harvests, but also threshes and separates grains like a circus performer. Mountainous terrain? No problem. This machine can climb hills and mountains like an off-road racing car. Nothing can stop it. It has GPS and control sensors like driving a luxury car. It knows the shortest and most fuel-efficient route. It ensures that no grain is missed and no fuel is wasted. A combine harvester alone can replace an army of hard-working farmers, working continuously without taking a lunch break. It is also a scientific researcher who knows how to adjust the environment so that every grain meets the high-quality standard. Self-monitoring, adjusting the speed of threshing, straw handling, optimizing productivity like a real farmer's assistant, 24/7, helps farmers harvest quickly, with quality without having to sweat. Therefore, a combine harvester like the John Deere S700 is the ideal companion for those who want to harvest quickly, with quality without having to sweat. Oh my gosh! Did you know that the Cat D11T bulldozer is the superhero in the bulldozer industry? With a giant dozer blade like a large dining table, with enough space for the whole family, and the ability to operate like a racing car, the Cat D11T is not only powerful, but also the #1 choice for jobs that require unrivaled strength and durability like granite. With its super-large dozer blade, the Cat D11T can clean the ground faster than you clean the dining table after dinner, saving time for the next steps in construction. Thanks to it, workers can just sit back and drink tea, Equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity of up to 850 horsepower, the Cat D11T can work non-stop for hours without encountering any obstacles. It can easily carry mountains of dirt and rocks, just like you lift a chair when you need to clean the living room. With its smart design, the Cat D11T can dance on any terrain, from flat construction sites to rugged mining areas. It's like a ballerina, but with unbelievable size and power. The D11T is not only powerful, but also economical, like a friend who always cuts corners when going out to eat. It helps reduce operating costs and protects the environment, making you feel both warm and happy. Let the Cat D11T be your superhero at work. Beep, beep. The Volvo A40G dump truck is not just a vehicle, but a superhero in the world of construction machinery. With its powerful design and impressive payload, the Volvo A40G can carry up to 40 tons of materials. Enough to build a house or a park for pandas, your choice. With a capacity like a mobile supermarket, you won't have to worry about carrying materials multiple times. Just one trip is enough to turn a construction site into a battlefield of materials. The vehicle is built like a tank, with a sturdy frame that helps it conquer any rough road. If someone asks, "Where can your vehicle go?" the correct answer is anywhere, even a deer trail. With GPS technology and smart sensors, the Volvo A40G can easily find its way like a local in a big city. Just press a button and let it take you on the right route without asking anyone for directions. The hydraulic system makes the truck bed lift and lower easily, just like you lift a pizza off a plate. Ensure that unloading is quick. You won't have to stand around waiting. Designed to be fuel efficient, the Volvo A40G is like a very considerate friend. It not only saves you money, but also contributes to protecting the environment, making you a green hero in the eyes of the green trees. The Volvo A40G is the perfect combination of power and technology, making every job on the construction site go quickly and safely. Let this vehicle become a right-hand man in your construction projects, and don't forget to praise it after each trip. The Kamatsu PC 400-8 excavator is an indispensable companion in the construction industry, and will definitely make you feel like you are driving a real monster. With an extremely sturdy design and powerful capacity, this machine can take on everything from leveling to digging holes, without having to worry about getting stuck like some of your peers. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine with a capacity of up to 300 horsepower, the Kamatsu PC 400-8 can race even in the harshest conditions, like a warrior ready for battle. The super advanced hydraulic system makes lifting and digging easy, and you will feel like you are playing a video game when controlling it on large construction sites. What's special is that the machine can roll over all kinds of terrain, from soft soil like noodles to rocks as hard as some people's heads. The spacious operator's cabin, with all the modern features, makes it easy for you to operate, but also to observe everything around you, including your confused colleagues with their work. And don't worry about burning your budget. The Kamatsu PC 400-8 is also equipped with fuel-saving and emission-reducing features, helping you improve work efficiency while keeping the environment clean. In other words, you can work hard and still take pride in being greener at work. The constant development of technology has brought modern, powerful, and efficient devices, helping people overcome challenges in their daily work. Let's look forward to the innovations in the world of heavy machinery in the future with TurboTalk. Goodbye. See you in the next video.